Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Today we have to do chapter number 4. As you already know that it is related to number patterns which we have done last week. Now today we have to do linear equation. Okay, who will tell me what is the meaning of linear? Yes. Any expression who has or any equation whose variable has power 1, that is called linear equations. Okay. Okay, first of all, we have to do exercise 4B, question number 1. It is related to algebraic expression. Okay, who will tell me what is the meaning of algebraic? Algebraic means any expression who has variables, coefficients, and constants. Okay, here they have written some statements, and we have to convert these into an algebraic expression. Algebraic means we have to use variables, we have to use sign, we have to use coefficient and constant. And what is coefficient? The number before the variable is called coefficient. Look here they have written 5y. Here 5 is coefficient and y is variable. Okay. Okay. Now we come to the first part. Add. Okay. Which symbol we have to use for addition? Yes. We have to use. Which symbol you have to use? Okay. Now tell me. Which symbol we have to use for addition? Yes, plus. We have to use plus for addition. They are saying add 5y. Okay, add 5y to the product of. What is the meaning of product? Product means to multiply. So you have to multiply A into B and you have to add 5y. And it depends upon you. Either in the first place, you have to write AB plus 5y, or you can write 5y plus AB. Both are the same thing. Okay. These are the two methods. Either you have to write in this way, A into B plus 5y, or you can write 5y plus AB. Okay. Clear? Now we come to the move towards the next one. Okay. I have to change the color. Here they have written subtract 3. Which number we have to subtract? 3. We have to subtract 3. Okay, we have to subtract 3 from which? From the cube of f. Okay. Cube of f means f, and what is its power? Oh, just give me a few seconds so that I have to put its power. Just give me a few seconds. Okay. Look here. Subtract 3. We have to increase the font size. Wait, beta. Just I want to increase the font size. Okay. Now, they are saying subtract 3 from cube of f. So we have to write f, and what is its power? Its power is 3. So we have to write f3 minus 3. Okay. And for power, I have to check how I have to insert this 3. It's the power of 3. Okay. Just wait. I have to write its power. Now I have to write the power of f, that is 3. So f3 cube of f minus 3. Subtract 3 from the cube of f. So f at the power 3 means cube of f. Clear? Now we come to the next one. Multiply k by 6q. I have to change the color. Multiply by k by 6q. So 6q is multiplying with k. So it becomes 6qk. Yeah, or you can write 6kq. Both are the same thing. Okay. So we move towards the next question. But before moving, I think so I have to erase all that. So we move towards the next. Okay, they are saying write down an algebraic expression. Okay, this we have done. Now we move towards the next one. D. Divide 2w by 3xy. Very easy. We have to divide 2w by. First, we have to write 2w and by mean, which is its quotient, that is 3xy. Okay. Divide 2w by 3xy. Now comes to the next one. Here they are saying subtract 4 times the positive square root of z from thrice of x. Listen, subtract 4 times the positive square root of z. 4 times. 4 times, and we have to take the square root. Okay. So this symbol we have to use for square root. First, I have to change the color. Here they are saying 2w by 3xy. Okay. Now we come to the next one. Subtract 4 times the positive square root of z. So I have to use this line for a square root. Okay. Positive square root of z. Here I have to write z. Okay. And 4 times. 4 times means here I have to write 4. Look here. Subtract. Subtract means here I have to put the sign of negative. Look here. Subtract 4 times the positive square root of z. Is it clear? 4 times the positive square root of z from mean from which we have to subtract this 4 times the positive square root of z from thrice of x. Thrice of x mean 3 times x. Okay. So thrice of x mean 3 times x. 3 times x. Clear? Look here. Subtract 4 times the positive square root of z from which 3 times x. Clear ho gaya? Clear? Now we move towards the next. So I have to remove, first of all, I want to remove this and then we have to move towards the next. Okay. Now comes to the next. They are saying twice the variable p divided by the product of p and q. Twice the variable p. Twice the variable p means we have to double p. Double p means 2 multiplied by p. Okay, where I have to choose the color, red color. Okay, 2p and I have to divide it by product of. Product means to multiply 5 with q. So when we multiply 5 with q, we will get 5q. So 2p over 5q is your answer. Okay, it is clear? Very easy. Twice a variable p. Twice means you have to double it. But how you have to double? By multiplying 2 with p. So twice a variable p divided by the product of 5 and q. Clear? Now we move towards question number 6. It is again the same one. You have to convert it into algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means you have your coefficient here. 3 is your coefficient, your variable here, x and z are your variables. Okay. signs are there. So all these mean that these are the algebraic expression. Now comes to question number 6. According to 6, it is written, subtract the cube root of the product of x and 3y. Cube root of this we have to take it. So first, okay, I have to use the pencil so it becomes easier. Okay, look here. First, we have to put subtract, the sign of subtraction. Subtract the cube root of product. First, I have to put it here, cube root. Okay. In square root, we just write this, but for cube root here, I have to write small 3. Okay. So this one is cube root of, yes, the product of x and 3. This means we have to multiply 3 with x and y. Okay. So I have to multiply 3 with x, and then I have to multiply it by y. Look here. Subtract the cube root of product of 3xy from the square of the sum of a and b. Sum of a and b, and then we have to take its square. First, we have to write sum of a and b. And then I have to take its square. Okay. So wait, I think so I have to use the bracket. Okay. I have to use the bracket for this purpose. Okay. Oh. Okay. I have to put the bracket. I have to erase this. Okay. So put the bracket. Okay. Put the bracket. They are saying we have to add A and B. So A, here I have to write it here, A. Okay. I have to write A. Add mean put the sign of plus. Look here. Sum of A and B. So A plus B. Now I have to close the bracket. And then I have to take its square. Square mean here I have to put 2. So A plus B, and here I have to put 2 for the square sign. For 2, I want to take it from here. This 2. Here, this one. Look here. How we have to solve this question number 6 part is subtract the cube root of the. Subtract cube root of 3 multiplied by x and y from the square of the sum of A and B. Sum of A and B, and I have to take its square. Okay. This is part question number 6, part A. Now we move towards the next part of question number 6. But before moving, I have to erase all that. Just few seconds, give it to me. I want to erase all that. Okay. It is not. Now we come to question number 6, part B. Okay. Look here. It is related to the total value of x 20 cents. How many cents are there? 20 cents are, and it is shown by the variable x coins and y $5 notes in cents. And you have to write the answer in cents. Okay. So wait. First I have to remove this. Look here. I want to write this answer. First, you tell me in $1 how many cents are there? In $1, Okay, $1. How many cents are there? Yes, you already know 100 cents are there. And here, how many dollars are given to you? $5. This means here I have to put 5 and I have to multiply this 100 with 5. So it becomes 105 multiplied by 100, it becomes 500. Okay. In $5, how many cents are there? 500 cents. And they are saying you have to write the total amount, total value. So how we have to write the total value? Look here. For total, I have to put a bracket. Okay. So how many cents are there? 20x cents. 20x plus 500, because we have to convert this $5 into cents. 500, and which variable is used for showing this dollar? Y. So this is the whole amount in cents. How we have to write? 20x plus 500 by cents. Clear? Now we move towards the next question, but before moving, I want to erase this. No, it is okay. Now we comes to question number 2. It is related to, given that, okay, here in question number 2, values are given. You have to evaluate according to the given algebraic expression. What is the expression that is given? 4x minus 7y. And here they told you that the value of x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 4. Okay. So we move towards this question. Wait. Okay. Now, 4, it is given as coefficient. And what is the value of x? Look at the question. What is the value of x? It is given. It is equal to 6. Okay. And then subtraction sign. In this algebraic expression, they are given to 4x minus 7y. So 4, in the bracket, you have to put the value of 6. And then you have to write 7. And then in the bracket, you have to put the value of y. What is the value of y? That is minus 4. Is it clear? Look here, values are given. What is the value of x? It is given, it is x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 4. And you have to evaluate how algebraic expression is given 4x minus 7y. 4 is your coefficient. It becomes the remain the same. In the bracket, you have to put the value of x. Similarly, minus sign is given. It remains the same. 7, it is coefficient. It remains the same. And in the bracket, you have to put the value of y. That is minus 4. Okay. Now you have to solve it. Bracket mean to multiply. So 4 6 times it becomes 24 minus, and okay, wait, sign are also multiplying. So minus into minus, it becomes plus, and 7 4s are 28. So you have to add both of these two. So it becomes 52. 28 plus 24, it becomes 52. So this is your answer of question number 2. I think so it is clear? Clear to all? Very good. So we move towards the next question. And that question is the second part of this question number 2. 5x, and we already know the value of x. It is given in the question. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 4. Okay. So instead of writing, look here. First, we have to come to this question. Five. And what is the value of x? It is given in the question. It is equal to 6. Okay. So we have to close the bracket. And it is divided by 3. And the value of y, it is equal to, yes, what is the value of y? Okay, we have to recheck. The value of y is minus 4. So here I have to write minus 4. Wait, here I have to write minus 4. Just I want to move the cursor. Now it becomes, okay, minus, wait. I have to write minus 4. Actually, the cursor is not working. Now here, I have to put the value of minus 4, which is the value of y. I have to close the bracket. Okay. Then plus sign is given, plus, and x, what is the value of x? It is 6. Okay. Okay. So we move towards the next step. Very easy. First, we have to multiply 5 with 6. 5 6 times 30. And then we have to divide it by 3. Okay. 5x over 3y, है ना? 3y. Okay, wait. 3y. What is the value of 3y? We have to put in a bracket. It is equal to plus into minus, minus 3 4 times 12. Okay. Then plus 6. Move towards the next step. We have to solve it. 30 divided by 12. It is divisible by 2. Yes. So it becomes, first we have to put the sign. It is minus 15 divided by, okay, in 2 times table, when 12 will come, 6. 15 divided by 6 plus 6. So in the next step, I have to take the LCM. Very easy. It is 6. So here we have to write minus 15 plus, obviously 6 1 times 6, or 6 is LCM. So 6 6 is 36. So I have to put the LCM. Okay. Now in the next step, I have to solve it. Minus 15 plus 36, and it is divisible by 6. You have to subtract the from the bigger value 36 minus 15. What will be your answer? Yeah, 21. Positive sign is there. So here you have to put plus 21 over 6. Now you have to write in a simplest form. So it is equal to, yeah, 3 7 times 21 and 3 2 times 6. And now we have to write it in a mixed number. So it 3 whole 1 by 2 is your answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? Look here again. I have to repeat 5x. Here we have to put the value of x, that is 6, divided by 3y. What is the value of y? It is minus 4 plus x. And what is the value of x? 6. Now, in the next, we have to multiply these two. 5 6 are 30 divided by 3 4 times 12. Negative sign is here, plus 6. We have to plus into minus, minus. So 30 divided by 12, we have to divide it by 2. 2 15 times 30, 2 6 times 12 plus 6. Here we have minus 15 by 6 plus 6 over 1. So the LCM is 6. So minus 15 plus, in one time table, when 6 will come 6 times. So 6 6 are 36. So 36 minus 15, we will get 21. And we have to put the sign of the greater number, that is plus. So 21 divided by 6, we have to divide it by 3. So 7 by 2, and its answer is 3 whole 1 by 2. Okay, 3 whole 1 by 2 is your final answer. Move towards the next question. Again, it is related to the same one. We have to evaluate this question. So 2 in a bracket, I have to put the value of x, that is 6, and we have to take its square. And what is the meaning of square? Square means I have to write this 2 times. I have to put a square. Look here, 2 6 times square minus y. What is the value of y? It is minus 4. I think so. You remember this value. So there is no need to look back. And we have to take its cube. Cube. So I have to put the sign of a cube from this. Okay. Now we move towards the next step. Very easy. First, we have to solve these brackets. Okay. So 2 in the bracket, they have written 6 here. This means 6 multiplied by 6. Okay. So we have to subtract it with, now we move towards the next step. Here they have written minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. As all of you know, that cube means you have to multiply the same number 3 times. Okay. So it is equal to 2. 6 6 are 36. Now we move towards the next bracket. Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Okay. So, comes to the next step. 36, 2 times 72. So, minus into minus. So, it becomes plus 64. So, our answer is here 136. 136, and that is our answer. Okay. And here I put equality sign. Again, here I put equality sign. It is very much necessary that you have to put all the sign in a proper place. Clear? This is third part of this question number 2. Now we move towards the next part. Just wait, I think so. Okay, this one is the D part. So I have to put the value. Wait. I have to put the value. Just give me a few seconds so that I have to put the value. We all know that what is the value of x? That is 6, 3, bracket 6. And then we have to put the sign, that is plus. Again, x is there. This means 6. And it is divisible by y. And what is the value of y? It is minus 4. So I have to put it in a bracket. Next, minus. And the value of y is minus 4. And we have to take it square. Square means we have to multiply this minus 4 2 times. Okay. So simply we have to multiply it by 2 times. Okay. Now we move towards the next step. So we have to multiply 3 6 3 6 18. So plus into first we have to divide 6 by 4. It becomes 3 over 2, and plus into minus, it is equal to minus. So 3 divided by 2, and next we have minus into minus plus, and plus into minus minus. So minus 60. Okay. So we again take the LCM, and that LCM is equal to 2. First I have to put the equality sign also. It is very much necessary that I have to put all the sign. So here I have to put equality sign. So take the LCM in one time table. When 2 will come, 2 times, so 18 2s are 2 multiplied by 18. In 2 times table, when 2 will come one time, so we have to write minus 6. In a bracket, I have to put 1, because one time, and then minus 60. And how many times? 2 times. Okay. And we have to divide it by 2, because 2 is your LCM. Okay. So we move towards the next step, and that is 18 2s are 36. And 6 1s are 6. And then we have to multiply 16 with 2. It is 32. And our LCM is 2. Again, we move towards the next step. Very easy. 36 minus 6 minus 32. So 32 plus 6, it becomes 38. So we have to write it here in this way. 36 minus 38. And this one is divided by 2. So, as you know, different signs are given. So you have to subtract, and you have to place a greater number sign. So you have to write it here. Minus 2 divided by 2. And that is equal to minus 1. Clear? So that is the D part of question number 2. Clear? Now we move towards the next question. That is question number 3. Again, it is related to, wait. Okay, it is related to, given that A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 5, and C is equal to 6. What is the value of A? The value of A is 3. And what is the value of B? That is minus 5, and C is equal to 6. And the question is A bracket 3C minus B. So we have to solve it. So I have to solve it for you here. Just give me a second. Okay, what is the value of A? Because in the beginning, A is given. Look here, A is given. So I have to put this 3 here in place of A, because we want to evaluate all this 3 in the within a bracket. Okay, I have to change the bracket because there are 2 type of bracket will be used. So here I have to put this bracket. Okay, and then 3C. This means 3, and then I have to use the round bracket. What is the value of C? It is given, that is 6. Okay, the value of A is 3, the value of C is 6, and minus sign is given in the question. And what is the value of B, which is given? That is minus 5. I have to close all these brackets. Where are the brackets? Okay, clear? Now we move towards the next step. Very easy. First, you have to solve the innermost bracket, that is round bracket. Okay, so 3 6 times, yes, 3 6 times 18. We have to solve this bracket. Then minus into minus, it becomes plus 5. Now this curly bracket is left over. You have to solve that bracket. Here I have to put equality sign. Then I have to put 3. Then I have to use the round bracket. 18 plus 5, it becomes 23. Now again, and we move towards the next step. Multiply 23 with 3. So its answer is 69. Very easy. Clear? So move towards the next sum quickly. AB square minus AC. Again, you must remember the value of all these A, B, and C. The value of C, A, and what is the value of A? A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 5, and C is equal to 6. 3, minus 5, and 6. Okay? So keep on remembering. So value of A is 3. Okay. The value of A is 3. Okay? 3. And we have to put the value of B in a bracket. That is minus 5. And we have to take its square. This will multiply minus 5 into minus 5. Now we have to close it. And then minus AC. What is the value of A? A value is 3. We have to, and the value of C is 6. Okay. Again, we have to move towards the next step. Equality sign. So I have to put 3. I have to put a bracket. So minus into minus plus. 5 5s are 25, because we have to take its square. Then minus sign, 3 6 are 18. Simply first you have to open this bracket. 25 3 times 75. And next you have to subtract 18 from this 75. Okay, please tell me when you have to subtract 75 from 18, what will be your answer? 57. Yes, you are right. 57. Very good. And first you have to put this equality sign also. Where first you have to put equality sign, then you have to put 57, and then you have to put answer. Okay, this is all for today. And next we have to do the remaining one. Okay, so Allah Hafiz. Do practice all this.